Radio all hazards warning device for station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, are automatically activated to warn of the impending will be postponed to the next good weather day. The normal test time. The test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given moment. Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order, the warning alarm tone will be activated for good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings. From the wind and ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manhattan, New Jersey to Houston, Delaware are 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio all hazards. Coastal waters from Great Neck Inlet in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio all hazards. WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio all hazards.